Today I will demonstrate how to create a Kahoot, which is a free game-based learning platform that can be used with any subject as well as accessed from any device such as a cell phone, tablet, or PC. To begin, open your internet browser and go to getkahoot.com. From there, you will sign up for a free account, or if you already have one, simply sign in using your logon information. Once you're in your account, you can look at My Kahoots, which are Kahoots that you have created in the past, or you may access Public Kahoots, which are Kahoots that have already been made on a variety of subjects. Inasmuch as we are creating our own Kahoot today, you will create New Kahoot and then go to Quiz. From there, you will be prompted to enter a title, and we are going to create a quiz with text features. Type your title and then click Go. From there, you will be directed to the first question. There's a limit of 95 characters per question, and as you type your question, the counter on the right-hand side will let you know how many characters you have left. Once you've typed your question, then you will scroll down to find answer boxes in which you will type your answer choices. Once you type the correct answer, you will change the answer box at the bottom from incorrect to correct. And you will notice to the right of the answer boxes there are also character counters. There's a maximum of 60 characters for the answer choices. You may include as many or as few answer choices as you like. It just depends on the type of quiz you are creating. Now, after you input the answer choices, you have the option of inputting an image. So to input an image, you choose a file and select, and your image will be uploaded into your question area. After you've done that, you go ahead and add your next question. And as much as this video is for demonstration purposes, I will not be adding another question. I will go to Save and Continue, which is what you will need to do once you have input all of your questions. Before you are allowed to save, you're asked to input some information relative to the settings for this game, the language, which is English, and I'm going to set the privacy settings for private since this is a demonstration video. The primary audience is a school, and you'll be asked to type a description. And this quiz, this is a quiz which reviews text features. You'll set the difficulty level based on how difficult you perceive the Kahoot, and I'll just take this to beginner, and as much as there's only one question. You'll also be asked to include a tag, and I will include reading since this has to do with reading. And once you've done that, save once again and continue. Now, the next screen will give you the option of adding an image for your cover page. So once again, you will go to choose a file, select an image for your cover page, and upload. Once you've done that, you are done. Now, you have the option of playing it now, previewing, or editing the Kahoot.
Where's my hair stuff?
I will play it now so that you can see how it's done. It will take you to a screen in which you will set your settings, and once you've set the settings, you will click Launch. Shortly thereafter, you will be directed to a screen with a game pin, and you will use that game. Your students will use that game pin to enter the game. So I will go to the student page, which is kahoot.it. I will input the game pin, and then enter. The student will be directed to give their name. Now it says nicknames, but I direct the students to give their first name and last initial because you will be able to use this for data. Now the students are in, and if you go back to your page, you can see the student's name on the page. Once all of your students have entered, you have a maximum of 30 students with this that can play with this free version. You click Start. And the game will start. This is question 1. These are the answer choices. This is what the students' page look like. And once they click the answer, it will tell them whether or not the answer is correct. And on your page, you will have how many students got the correct answer, as well as how many students responded to an incorrect answer. Next, you'll have the scoreboard, and the top 5 scorers will be displayed. And once you end the quiz, you have the option of getting feedback and results. This feedback and results can be saved and downloaded to an Excel spreadsheet. It's taking a minute for the Excel spreadsheet to come up. And so you have the student that played the game, their correct answer, as well as their incorrect answers and their score. Now this spreadsheet will be generated for the entire class, all of the players, and is excellent use for informative assessment data. And that is how you create and use a Kahoot. I do hope you find the information useful. Thank you.